These days, it's hard to find true low-cost gaming laptops, but the well-known Acer Nitro 5 makes a compelling argument for itself. A comfortable 1080p gaming experience is ensured by its 12th generation Intel Core i5 CPU, Nvidia G-Force RTX 3050 Ti GPU, and 144Hz refresh rate display. Although 512GB solid-state drive would be wonderful to have a little bit more storage, it keeps the price down in our budget category for gaming laptops, as we all know gaming laptops can go up quite quickly in price. With the most recent Nitro 5, Acer has opted for a fairly basic design, which we quite like. The majority of Nitro laptops, as well as many gaming laptops in general, particularly entry-level ones, used to be wrapped in vibrant colors and decorative accents, but those days are gradually passing. Vibrant red and black were particularly popular, and although some people might still enjoy that much-maligned combo, it was hard to find a reasonably priced gaming setup that simply looked like a laptop. In terms of build quality, the Nitro 5 is excellent. Despite being made completely of plastic, the chassis doesn't bend or flex significantly with regular use. That makes the system a little bit more robust and is less shocking given how bulky the overall design is. For a low-cost laptop, the keyboard is a little nicer than you might anticipate. In addition to having good bounce, the keyboard has RGB backlighting spread across 4 programmable zones. The touchpad can still be used. In general, the construction quality is passable, albeit not particularly noteworthy. The slim design of more expensive laptops accounts for a large percentage of the cost, but a chunkier chassis like this one is far less expensive. The Acer weighs 5.51 pounds and has dimensions of 1.06 by 14.1 by 10.7 inches. The laptop features a variety of ports, including 2 USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C, 1 USB 3.2 Gen 1, 1 Ethernet port, 1 HDMI 2.1, and 1 3.5mm audio jack. The Acer Nitro 5 is an amazing laptop for its price range, since it not only delivers on what its specs suggest, but frequently goes above and beyond. An Intel Core i5-12500H, 16GB RAM, 512GB SSD, and an Nvidia G-Force RTX 3050 Ti graphics card were the components of my review sample system. When we pitted it against important competitors like HP, Dell, and Asus, the outcomes were quite outstanding. Acer outperformed competitors with similar hardware, roughly matched rivals across the performance spectrum, and occasionally even outperformed laptops with higher specs. With the Nitro 5, you'll receive a 1080p 60 FPS per second system optimized for games that prioritize graphical fidelity, such as Ghost Recon, Breakpoint, and Borderlands 3. Even at 90 frames per second, the laptop can achieve continuous performance closer to 60. The 144Hz display can be maximized on 1080p low settings in a game like Apex Legends for those who are addicted to frames per second. In terms of gameplay, it was mediocre. I played Call of Duty Warzone at an average frame rate of 87 FPS with all visual settings at their highest, with the exception of the texture resolution, which was left at standard. Any more than that, and Warzone's suggested VRAM consumption was exceeded. I played for a while on high settings and noticed an average FPS reduction of roughly 10 FPS, along with the sporadic frame drop caused by overuse of VRAM. The screen isn't the brightest or most colourful, which is expected at this price. These extravagances are only seen in high-end gaming PCs or gadgets that don't put any emphasis on gaming or frames per second. Still, it gets bright enough for a room with ordinary lighting, and the colours are true enough. At first glance, the Acer Nitro 5 may not catch your eye, but beneath its exterior lies a capable mid-range gaming laptop that ticks many essential boxes. It's a discreet companion for those who want to enjoy gaming without drawing too much attention, making it a perfect choice for gaming on the down low in public spaces. If you seriously want to increase your firepower, watch this video next on the Acer Nitro 17 and take your gaming from average to top-notch performance.